Hi traders, and welcome to the daily recap show for today, which is Monday the 7th of February. So we said that the FTSE still held the bullish tone, and if we started gaining acceptance below 74.97 to 507, we could start to see this tone shift back to the bears. However, if we held the 74.97 to 75.07 zone, then we could see price move back towards the post-COVID highs at 76.27 to 76.37. So let's go and see what happened in the FTSE this morning. Okay, so we opened up and we had the first push up, and then we got this sell-off down into the 74.97 to 75.07. You can see we traded 75.06, and then we put in this reversal pattern here. So we said if the 74.97 to 75.07 support held, we could start to see a move back to 76.27 to 37 post-COVID highs. And as you can see, we are well on our way to doing that. You certainly would be risk managing this trade. If you were in the trade now, you'd be looking to take some profits and making that trade risk free and booking and making sure that you were going to book some profits on that trade. Now, in regards to there was a reversal pattern here that you could have traded from. Personally, I would have preferred the market to have just taken out these overnight lows and grabbed that liquidity. With that being said, if you have traded this reversal here, you probably wanted a bit more of a wider stop to just allow for any liquidity grabs or anything like that. And then you would have been looking to probably manage this trade as we went through these zones up here. So the support has held, which means we keep the bullish tone for now. The analysis this morning was really good in terms of which zone had to hold. We got the reversal pattern, and now we are seeing that move that we expected. So market's behaving well. Let's go and have a look and see what the DAX done today. Okay, so we said that the DAX continued to show weakness, and we had initial resistance today at 15,230 to 250. We said also that if we saw sustained breaks below 15,060 to 80, we could see moves towards 14,955 to 14,980. So let's go and see what the DAX has done today. Okay, so the DAX has also behaved really well today. We had first resistance at 230 to 250, and as you can see, we just traded 232, and this was on the 1 minute chart. We put in a nice reversal pattern here to get short, and then when we retested, notice how the price never closed back above that overnight high, which again suggested that this was going to hold as resistance, and then we got this really big push down. So we said that was first resistance, that held as resistance, and then that sort of moved down. If we switch to the 3 minute chart, I wouldn't necessarily have bought this zone. We said that we needed to break below this 15,060 to 80 zone to see the further downside. You got a few touches of this. You can see here, and then this candle here is your reversal pattern to start the push higher again. So it has held a support. With the difference between this one and the FTSE, the DAX is bearish at the moment, hence why we've seen this sell-off from the initial resistance. The FTSE is more bullish, hence why that first push down actually was bought up from support. So in this instance, I'm not sure I would necessarily have been looking to buy this. It's a valid entry, it's a valid support zone. So it is valid, but with the overall tone bearish and no real textbook clear signal here, it's something that I probably would have been looking to wait and see and let the price action develop a bit. But you can see here we've got a really nice reversal pattern here, which has then been the catalyst for this to push higher. We're back at this resistance zone at 230 to 250. So we're going to see what happens in the US session, and we'll see what happens in the overnight session, and then we will re-evaluate again in the morning and update on the morning's report. So some really nice action on the FTSE and DAX today. The zones have worked really well. Those key support and resistance zones, if you just traded those, you would have had some really nice trades today. So I hope you found this useful, guys, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Cheers.